Hey guys, welcome back here. I am Giwa Tolani. Let's continue with the series on JavaScript array. In this video, we're going to be talking about the array for each method, but you can catch up on my previous video on reduce, filter, and map. So let's dive in. The array for each method executes a given function on every element from an array. But let's see how it works. Let's create an array of numbers. So we have const numbers equals 3, 10, 4. Just really picking up random numbers anyways. So in a situation where you want to access numbers or items in an array individually, or I want to manipulate each items or perform a certain operation on each items in an array, the for each method really comes in handy. You can do this with any other method, but today we're going to be looking at the for each method. So let's call the for each method on the array. So we have numbers dot for each. The for each method is already a function which requires a callback function. So a callback function just simply means that we need to define a function inside of another function or another method, right? So this callback function takes 3 parameters. We have number, the value, the index, and the array, right? We could also use anonymous function, but in this case we're using the callback function, or we're using the arrow function rather, right? So this function will perform some operation, which is why we'll be opening the curly braces to return the condition. I said earlier that it takes 3 parameters. Sorry. So we have items, which iterates through each item, each element in the array. Then we have index, which just helps with the positioning or what position or the position of the particular item. And then we have the array, which just returns the complete thing, the complete array. So yeah, we could just do console.log item, rather item. Let's run that. So it printed out each number in the array individually. So it makes it easy to manipulate any data, right? So in a situation whereby, or in a case whereby you need to multiply each items in the array, all we need to do is items multiply by 2. Simple, right? This. Or let's try another example whereby we want to use these numbers individually. This can be achieved by other array method, but in today's tutorial, like I said before, we're using just for each. So let's do numbers dot for each, right? I said earlier it takes 3 parameters: value, index, and array, right? Callback function, we're going to be using the arrow function. This curly braces, this thing here just means I want you to perform this. This is what it literally just means. So we're going to do items, when item, comma index, comma array, right? And I want to get the position of each item in the array, and I want to see what that position, what number is on that current position, right? So let's console.log we're going to be concatenating here position plus the index, that's the current position. We're concatenating plus item, right? So let's run that. This code here would give us the position and what item that position belongs to here. So at position 1, the item is 23. So index literally means what positions are the items on. So position 0 is equal to 23. Position 1, 10. Position 2, 4. Position 3, 11. And position 4, 13. But I'll be wondering that, okay, what does the array parameter do here? Let's just console.log that. It literally returns the full array in case you want to manipulate. So let's console.log that. See? Array just literally returns the complete array. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you.